Omega Aries. Let's see what we have. Dark Storm. 6 Absolvers. 2 Devout. 2 Controllers. And we're going to use a couple of shock missiles. I'll show you as we go. Okay, bring these guys in, put them on hold, and then let your Devout be the distraction. Have everything chase the Devout, and then you kill it. All right. Move them up here, and then we'll kill things with our controllers. Hurry up, guys. They take forever to get. They do the most damage when they are on the move. Put them on hold, and now send in a missile. This is going to expose the rail. So you shoot this. Now you're going to shoot another one right here. That'll expose the to Overwatch. And then you just kill them. Get these guys before the shock wears off. All right, get the rest of the troops in here. Let's start doing some damage. Just slowly move your way through the base. Let your Dark Storm protect you, and those troops will kill everything in here. There we go. Put them on hold and take out. Got a couple of Gorgons over here. Got a couple of second one over here. I mean, basically, you're done at this point. You're just doing cleanup. Ah, somebody got whacked. A little bit. Shouldn't be much. Looks like it might have been one of the Devout. If it is, that's nothing. It should be instant repair. That's it. See what we get. 2. All right, let's see how much damage we got. We shouldn't have much at all. 1 minute, and we probably don't have time to get another one. By the time we repair, let's see where the next one's going to be. Time will tell if we can get there. All we have to do is get in. Once we get in, we can take it. See how much damage we got. 11 minutes, yeah. Okay, you got a little bit. One of the develops got it. 8 minutes. So again, it's actually instant repair because all you're doing, they're all less than 5 minutes. 5:22. So you just instantly repair them. And even them out. That's it. Instant repair. All right. Let's see if we can get there in time. I don't think we can. 26 seconds. Here's the race. 16 seconds. Oh, I might get in. 15 seconds. And I will be there in 8. I might be able to get another one. Let's see. All you have to do is get in. As long as it doesn't close. All right, let's do another one. That's about as close as you can get. Again, we're going to do the same thing. See what happens. Dark storm's the worst part of the whole thing. Dark storm would move faster, it'd be a whole lot easier. Let's get a missile. Expose the rail. We're just taking our time, working our way through. Then we'll use another missile back there. Let's bring these guys up a little bit. Put them on hold. Bring our controllers up to take out. Send a missile in to expose the to Overwatch. Shoot the 2 Overwatch. Now we're almost done. Now we just slowly work our way around, kill everything. So you see, it's really not too hard. Just be methodical, take your time. Come on, Ares. There he comes. Take out the bunker that they're coming from. Take out the CC. Kill a few Gorgons. As you can see, it's pretty easy. It'd be awfully nice if Kix gave me a 20. I don't think they will. I don't think they will. What do we get? 2. They gave me 20 without the 0. All right. Let's see how this should be almost no damage. Let's see what it says. "53 seconds. Who got hurt?" That's it. 53 seconds. You can see, yeah, I mean, you get various things. Sometimes you screw up and you get something wrong. All right.